Guys, we are on our way to the mountains. This is the road and we had to stop here because there are amazing views. Look there, we can see the island of Tenerife. It's Mount Teide, the highest peak of Spain.
Welcome back to La Palma, but this time we are going way higher. Our plan is to hike along the island's highest peaks, where the mountain air is fresh, the sun is strong, the views are endless, and the clouds drift far below. Up here, the rugged volcanic landscape meets the sky, and every step feels like walking on the edge of the world.
Today we are in the highest mountains of La Palma and we are starting high up already, so it should be easy, but immediately everything is breathtaking.
Wow.
This is like wow, we will be on the top of the world. We already are, but it should get even better. You can even see astronomical observatories. They look into space from here, so that's great. And we are in a national park.
Parque Nacional.
Of course, because it's so incredible here.
And what is it called?
Caldera de Taburiente. And we are going there. There should be the highest peak of La Palma. So,
Roque de los Muchachos.
yes, wish us luck and we will show you everything. We parked our car there, the green/grey one, and the views on this side are also incredible. We can see the Atlantic Ocean and low-level clouds. So, yeah, we put a lot of sunscreen onto us. It's very important because we are above 2000 meters above sea level and it's completely sunny. So you could get sunburned here very easily. So hopefully we will survive that.
Yeah. And we have loquats here. Yeah.
So that's our second breakfast. And only now Tommy said to me that I had sunscreen here on my nose and everywhere. So sorry about that.
Oh no, guys. You already fainted, so you can't hear this anymore.
You have to be very representative on YouTube. This day shall be amazing. So let's finally go because we are losing time. We are so slow always, but that's us.
I like how colorful it is here.
Mm-hmm.
So volcanic.
Yeah.
It's all volcanoes, the whole island is volcanic, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so there are Mars colors here.
Or even moon.
Or even moon, but especially at this place it is very Mars-like,
Yeah.
reddish.
There are a lot of big telescopes on the island, on La Palma. There are others in the area as well. On Tenerife there are other observatories and telescopes, but apparently here there are even better conditions, for example because of low light pollution. So some of the most important telescopes of the Northern Hemisphere are here.
The lower light pollution is because La Palma is much less touristy than, for example, Tenerife. And we read that there are one of the strictest laws regarding lighting in towns and villages here. So that's why the conditions are great here. And also the air is a bit dustier in Tenerife because it's closer to Africa and to the Sahara Desert. So sometimes the dust and sand from the Sahara Desert comes this direction, but this island is the farthest from the continent, so in that regard it's also better here.
There's even some snow left in the shade where the sun never shines. But fortunately it's quite warm here, so we can walk with short sleeves, and I'm actually sweating a little bit.
Even though we are so high up. And look, the views are still amazing.
Yeah, I love this the most.
Yes. And we are getting close to our destination.
This way.
Just this one mountain, and we are there.
Yay.
Yay, there is snow.
Wow.
Even here on the trail.
Let's build a snowman.
Wow, it's more ice than snow. Very hard, so no building snowman, but maybe we can go ice skating.
You can try to slide.
Whee! And it's so warm, so it's very cool to see snow here. But not unexpected, because we are at a very high elevation. We'll tell you the numbers of the highest peak once we are there. We are almost here, and as you can see, there is a parking lot, so you can drive here. It's easy to get here if you find a place to park, which can be difficult. But that would be too boring for us, so of course we decided to hike. We wanted to enjoy the area and the terrain, and it wasn't very difficult to get here, even on foot, from the place where we parked our car. And just a few more steps and we'll be there. So the highest point is this one. Here we can't get there. Roque de los Muchachos, 2,426 meters above sea level, and we can't go there. We are going here on this place. The lookout point, which is there, maybe you can see it in the distance, and that's where we are heading. I love how the clouds are rolling over the mountains. It's hard to see. I would need to speed up the video, but it's amazing. Oh, very, very beautiful.
I guess we're here. Unless we're going there.
No, what is that? Maybe that was a path in the past.
Someone's there.
Oh, but I don't see the path continuation from here.
This looks like the main lookout point.
Yes, yes, exactly. Wow. The views are breathtaking from here. Look even down. So many rock walls, and the clouds there makes the atmosphere even better. And we found the path continuation, so we will probably take a look there. So this is not our final point yet.
This must be the final lookout point.
Yeah,
I don't see any more trails here.
and I don't see any people, so
That's
this
always a
is
plus.
great timing. Wow, but it's breathtaking here. Amazing. Wow. Yeah. You look amazing there. The clouds are developing and disappearing again. Wow, look at this.
It's very impressive.
Very, very impressive. And people are already coming, so
Locals.
that was just the right second.
We are now looking into Caldera de Taburiente, which is a massive volcanic crater. And what's interesting is that on one of our previous hikes we were on the other side, looking at these highest peaks from below.
We can see 3 islands from here. There is Tenerife, the tallest ones, the sharp peak. Then barely visible, that should be La Gomera, right?
Mm-hmm.
And there is another one, it's called El Hierro. So 3 islands visible from here. And it looks breathtaking here. I love the views down with the clouds and everything. Beautiful. I also love that the mountains are so colorful. There is orange, there is red, there is also green from the small shrubs. And there in the distance the cloud sea and the telescopes and observatories. It's like from another world. And I love seeing Tenerife. So pretty. And the clouds are unbelievable. I love it. Again, a meteorological heaven here. And there is one of the lookout points where we were. It didn't even feel like it's on such a rock. Wow, it looks awesome.
The views here are breathtaking, but we will have to head back to our car, which is parked somewhere there, I guess, behind those mountains.
Mm-hmm.
Which is only 3 kilometers from here, but it looks far away.
Yeah.
But we'll have to go.
We'll have to. We have to walk on the rim, and it's still magnificent. The clouds are so funny. They are like smoke going up.
Very active.
Yeah, very active now. We are almost back to our car, and there are so many more clouds here. It's so interesting to see, and they are still moving and changing. It's like a very great nature theater. I really enjoy this. And yeah, so this hike will be over soon, and then we are probably heading to the supermarket and back to our Airbnb, because it's late. This was supposed to be a short hike, but we always spend a lot of time everywhere because we film, we take pictures, and I am always quite slow with the pictures and everything because I want everything perfect. So yeah, and it's a long drive here. Even though the island is quite small, this road was so windy. You need to come from 0 level at the ocean up here. So it takes more than an hour, right? So yeah, so we need to get down, and then hopefully we'll be relaxing for a bit. We are exploring our area around our Airbnb a little bit. Look how many cacti there are, and there are so many fruits. So these are opuntias and they are yummy. We are heading to a beach. There is a beach close by and we want to take a look how it looks. So we'll show you maybe if it's worth showing. And basically we are surrounded by banana plantations. There are so many banana plantations on this side of the island. There as well you can maybe see the terraces. So that's all bananas growing there. And here you can see the fruits developing. These ones are still green and quite small. But it's so fun for us. This is so exotic. So that's why we are always amazed by all of this, because the vegetation. Come take a look. Hopefully we can. Yeah. Here. Look. It's so big. There are so many of them. It's unbelievable. Yay. So much fun. Is this it?
Yeah, we just need to climb down that ladder and we're there. But more probably it's a little bit farther.
Around the corner?
Yeah.
Okay, hopefully. Because even me, I'm not climbing that ladder. That's too adventurous.
So it's not a ladder, it's a staircase. I was wrong. So I guess we are going.
Yes, this looks definitely easier.
But that's quite a lot of stairs.
We'll make it. Stairs can't stop us.
Welcome to my private beach. Come join me.
At first it looked like a black rock beach, but here we have an area with black sand, so that's always cool, being on a black sand beach. And ooh, quite cold. So I wanted to go, but now I'm not sure. The waves are really big and there are rocks in the sand as well, so maybe this will be enough for me, but maybe I will jump in for just a little dip, but not going too far away from the shore, definitely not. So let's see, I have to return this microphone, it's not waterproof. Okay, I have to say the water was quite nice. The waves are big, so I had to be careful and I didn't go any far away. But yeah, overall very nice. Now my feet are full of black sand, but this beach is full of surprises. There is even a shower up there. So I can wash my feet and put on my socks and shoes and everything, and it's like total comfort here, so that's amazing.